Welcome, I'm Eliza Harris, a City of Austin health coach. Today we're making a warm quinoa and sweet potato salad. This is a great dish to bring to gatherings as it's naturally gluten-free, vegetarian, and makes about 4 servings. So if you don't already have cooked quinoa, we'll start there. It'll take about 15 minutes to cook. I already have the quinoa made, but it's always important to rinse it to get rid of that soapy taste. While your quinoa is going, we'll start preparing the sweet potato. So I already have the sweet potato cooking over here, but just for a demo, we're gonna peel the sweet potato, and I'll demo how to cut it as well. So we're gonna wanna dice the sweet potato, so you'll cut it into fourths. Always with your fingers turned in, and slightly dice it. Perfect, so we're gonna place the sweet potatoes on the skillet. So it takes about 10 minutes for the sweet potatoes to get crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. So it looks like they're about ready. We're gonna add the seasonings, so salt, pepper, paprika, and I like to do a little touch of cinnamon. And once the sweet potatoes are ready, we'll add in the maple syrup. So about a tablespoon, just a little dash, since the sweet potatoes are already naturally sweet. We'll mix it around. And then we're about ready to add the kale in. So it takes about 5 minutes for the kale to kind of wilt down. So let's mix that around. So now we will prepare the dressing. So I always like to use a mason jar for dressings, just so you can store it for later if you're not going to enjoy the dish right away. Dressing is super simple. It's just olive oil, orange juice, and a dash of salt and pepper. And it's also nice using a mason jar because you don't need to use a fork or a whisk to mix it up. You can shake it in here. Perfect, so we have the dressing ready to go. So once the kale is wilted down, we're gonna reduce the heat and add in the onions and add in the pomegranates. So pomegranates are rich in antioxidants, which boost your immune system and keeps you healthy. You can either buy them pre-packaged or you can buy a fresh pomegranate. I always think the fresh ones taste a little bit better. So once the sweet potatoes and mixture are ready, you can start adding in the quinoa. So we already have the cooked quinoa here, so we'll just add it in. Yeah, quinoa is full of fiber, and this is such a great dish that will help you feel nice and full. All right, so now that you got the quinoa added in, we can mix it together. The pomegranates add such a beautiful pop of color. All right, and then when it's ready, you can transfer it to a bowl. All right, now we have your beautiful sweet potato quinoa salad here. So you can bring it to your next dinner party, wherever. It's such a great recipe, great source of fiber, helps lower your LDL or bad cholesterol, promotes GI health, and increases that feeling of fullness. I hope you enjoy, and if you're interested in health coaching, please contact the Healthy Connections team. Thank you so much.